Always break even. Would love to come out on top. Well, let's change that. I mean, listen, breaking even in a repack break is pretty good too. But obviously, we want better here. Guys, good luck. Appreciate everyone for the fill. Again, next break is in the shop. Half case break of Origins. It's already halfway filled. 15 teams left. First card out. Is this an anime? Is this a black anime?
What?
For the Yankees. Okay, that's sick. Hideki Matsui to 10 on the black anime going to the Giants.
What?
That's sick. Going to Shannon.
That's sick.
Hideki Matsui to 10. 4 of 10 on the anime. That is a start.
That is a start.
You sold that Ashton Genty to 5. It graded a 10. You already got it graded that fast? Jeez.
You graded a 10?
You have 2 of those, Shannon? 2 of the black to 10s? That's actually kind of crazy. Get all 10 now. Wow. This is a dual downtown. Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
For the Chargers, Justin Herbert, Quentin Johnston. That's not Ladd McConkey, Chris. Going to the Chargers. Holy crap.
That's huge.
Justin Herbert, Quentin Johnson, dual downtown, going to the Chargers. Oh.
You know.
Huh? That's not Ladd McConkey. Didn't the Chargers sit for a while, too?
Yeah.
This is Topps Midnight Auto, I believe. Wow. CJ Stroud to 99. Topps Midnight Autograph going to the Texans.
Bang.
Nice hit. That's going to who? Carl. CJ Stroud autograph to 99. You might only yell now? Hey, man. It's not Ladd, all right? We have a graded card here. 2014 Topps Chrome. Mint 9. Aaron Donald. On-card rookie auto. Going to the Rams. That's sick. Don't see that too often. Going to Shannon. Aaron Donald rookie auto on-card. Going to the Rams. Very nice. That's a different card. Definitely different. Upside down. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. For the Raiders. Wow. Brock Bowers downtown going to the Raiders. Oh, I said downtown. Kaboom. Oh, clip that one. Brock Bowers, rookie kaboom. Going to the Raiders. Oops. Going to How About You Let It Go. Nice card. Holy crap. Clipped? Yeah, it's clipped. GG's. Breaker doesn't know what a downtown or a kaboom is. Is this elephant print? Of Ant-Man. That's sweet. Ant-Man on the elephant print. Going to the Vikings. That is going to Christopher Day. It's a cool card. Don't see elephant prints too often.
No.
Brock Bowers downtown.
It's okay.
Rookie. JSN. Yep. JSN on the Contenders Optic on-card rookie auto. Number to 125. Last on the print as well. Going to Seattle. That is going to Schweeps. Very nice hit.
Yeah, that is a nice
one. Niners. Ricky Pearsall, RPA to 20. One-off jersey match. Going to the Niners.
Talk about a
That's
patch.
going to Brian Means. Ricky P. 220 on the RPA. Guys, next break is in the shop. It's a half case break of Origins from a fresh case. We are already over halfway filled. So if you want to hop in, that break's going to go pretty soon. Definitely going tonight. Rookie crossover. Trey McBride, RPA out of NT to 99. Going to the Cardinals. It's going to Solomon. Nice hit, Solomon.
Great hit.
Trey McBride.
I don't know.
I already pulled the case hits. Those are definitely not the $2,000 cards. They're definitely nice. They're not $2,000 cards. Paulo Banchero on the fast break autograph. Going to the Bucks. 24-25 auto. Going to Tampa Bay and Carl. Nice hit. All right, that was only 10. And we pulled the dual downtown and a kaboom. Next 10 on the way. Bo Nix on the purple select rookie, number to 75. Going to Denver. That is going to Carl. Bo to 75 on the purple select rookie. Got a graded card here. 22 Donruss Optic Gem 10. Garrett Wilson Mythical. I believe this is rookie Garrett Wilson.
Case hit,
2022, yeah. Keys hit out of Donruss Optic. Going to the Jets. It's going to premium. Not bad.
Really not bad. Nice job.
Garrett Wilson Gem 10. Mythical. Packers. Charles Woodson, Obsidian Stained Glass, going to the Packers. Going to Richard. That's sick. I love the Obsidian Stained Glasses. Never forget when I pulled a Caleb Williams one. I didn't even know it was a stained glass. Never forget that.
Like, what was it?
Yeah, only a $1,500 card just sitting there.
Yeah.
I have no idea what it is. All right, we have another graded card here. What the Caleb was? Or that? The Caleb, right? Bowman Draft. Oh, first Bowman auto, Wyatt Langford. Going to the Cowboys. It's going to Bowie. Wyatt Langford, first Bowman auto. Going to Dallas. Champion signatures. Larry Bird on the champion signatures out of Prism. Going to the Patriots. Going to Corey. Larry Bird on this signature. Zoom for the Rams. Double up. Puka Nakua on the Zoom out of Zenith 2023. Going to the Rams. It's going to Shannon. First double up, I believe. First double up. You need a Luka auto? All right, right here. Ready?
One time for the good guys.
Oh, brother. Ooh! Oh, brother.
Whoa!
Joe Burrow Prism rookie auto on the purple to 49.
That's gotta be it, right?
That's a huge card. Joe Burrow Prism rookie auto.
It's huge.
That's the first Prism rookie auto I've pulled of his. That's a big card. Number to
That's
49.
That's a huge card. That's a lot.
Back when you could read his auto. Very true.
Yeah.
32 of 49 on the Burrow. That's crazy. I will say the timing of that one, bro. Nah, that's still a massive card.
That's a massive card.
Who's got the Bengals? Going to Mitch. Is Mitch even here?
Dude, that's huge.
Is Mitch even here? Got another slab. LeBron James on the Bowman rookie, 2003. LeBron James rookie going to the Browns. That is going to DZ. Cool. I've never seen that one before. I've seen a lot of LeBron rookies. Haven't pulled that one before. All right, yeah. I shouldn't say I haven't seen it. I haven't pulled it. Last sold 1975 on that Burrow.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Makes sense.
It's a huge card.
Pirates. Paul Skeens. On-card autograph going to the Steelers. That is going to Dad Life. There's Paul.
Where's Paul?
Paul Skeens, yeah. Oh no, he's going to kill me.
What?
Xavier's going to kill me. He's been chasing Paul. And there it is. That was off a divvy? Jeez. Paul Skeens on-card auto going to the Steelers. This is box number 20. Topps Inception Football. And they sat forever. No one wanted them. Jaden Daniels to 150. Rookie auto to Topps Inception. That is going to Richard.
Huge.
Very nice. Very nice card.
People are cooking.
That was halfway. Excuse me. Crazy break so far. Crazy break so far. Money. J.J. McCarthy on the money case hit out of Mosaic. Another one for the Vikings. It's a double up for them. That Burrow might be... I don't know. I've seen multiple cases, though, where there's been like 2 cards around 2,000. So, or like another one around 1,500. So who knows? Dolphins. Devon Achane on the Red Wave rookie auto. He went off yesterday.
He did.
To 149.
He's so fast.
Going to the Finns. We have 2 Vikings so far. There was a... We just pulled this one. J.J. McCarthy rookie money. And there's an Ant-Man elephant print right there. Ant-Man elephant print. John Morant, Orange Ice, Gem Mint 10 rookie. Going to the Tennessee Titans. That's going to Atterbury. John Morant, Gem 10, Orange rookie. Orange Ice rookie. Upside down again. I don't know why I just flipped it like that. Drake May, Topps Midnight rookie auto. Going to the Patriots on the rookie horizons. Going to the Pats, and it's 2 for them. Corey. That's it. That's another one for the Patriots. Yeah, these breaks are crazy. You have to take 3 days to fill. Crazy.
Worth the wait.
I don't know, man. We might be done with Nitrous. Might be done. We'll see. Texans. J.J. Watt. 2011 New Generation Auto to 100. That's rookie. Rookie auto, J.J. Watt to 100 going to Houston. That's sick. Going to Carl. That is a double up for Houston. Double ups are starting to hit. Wow. Oh, Drake London, Gem Mint 10 Manga. Going to the Falcons and J-Beer. That's sweet. Drake London, Gem 10 Manga. It's not Paul, but I think we definitely take that. Very nice card.
Take that.
This is a heavy box. You think this is a silver gold bar, maybe? This thing is heavy.
Okay.
Oh, it's...
Okay.
Now, you see the size of this, chat? It's thicky. It's from Impeccable to 25.
You know ball.
Terrell Owens to 25 on the silver bar. Double up for the Niners. That's sick.
You know ball.
I know ball. I can tell the weight of a card. We don't want to get rid of Nitrous, but I don't know. It's been these breaks. The last 3 that we've ran have taken over 2 days to fill. So it's like, is it worth it? Bryce Young on the Zoom, going to the Panthers. That is going to Richard. Bryce Young on the Zoom, going to Carolina. It's always worth it. I mean, I don't know. I love the breaks. Trust me. If I could run Nitrous every single day for the rest of my life, I would. There's a slab in here. A thick slab. Wow. Bryce Harper, on-card auto to 25. First on the print to 25. Going to the Eagles at a tier 1. What is the Eagles? Dad Life. Nice hit.
Dad Life.
Yeah, trust me. Don't get me wrong. You can spend $500 on a team in these breaks and only hit a $100 card, $75 card. I'm not saying that, but it is tough. Or it also can be rewarding.
When you hit, you hit.
I know. It's... No... Ooh.
Ooh.
Chiefs rookie Kaboom. Is that worthy?
Ooh.
Wow. Xavier Worthy. Rookie Kaboom. Going to Kansas City. That's sick. That's going to RC Papa. Xavier Worthy on the rookie Kaboom. And we got 10 left. 10 left. Guys, good luck. It's been a hell of a break.
Hell of a break.
Ravens. Oh, he's going to kill me. Oh, he's going to... There it is. There's the comment. God damn it. Zay Flowers, RPA to 99. Oh, man. Hey, it's a National Treasures one, though.
Treasures.
Is that true? It's not true, but it's still nice. It's an NT RPA. Oh, man. Still waiting here. Brian Thomas, I got you right here. You ready? It's going to be a Brian Thomas Jr. RPA to 175. Oh, it is Brian Thomas Jr.?
No way.
It's not an RPA,
No
but that's
way.
sick. Brian Thomas Jr., rookie Phoenician. Case hit out of Phoenix. That's funny.
Bring it into the universe, brother.
I can't believe I called that. I mean, I had a good shot, but that's so funny. Brian Thomas Jr. on the Phoenician rookie. Going to the Jags. All right, Bubby, ready? Luka Doncic, downtown. It's a zebra. It's a cowboy. I got the team right. CeeDee Lamb on the zebra rookie die cut. That's sick. That is sick. Zebra rookie die cut of CeeDee Lamb. There we go. Put that there.
CD?
I'm running out of room, man. Wyatt's getting covered by another player. All right, we got a slab here. People are telling me to call Bears downtown, Dick Butkus. Not Dick Butkus, but that's actually kind of sick. Jackson Holiday on the class of 2022 autograph. Number to 250 going to the Ravens. You technically can, Bowie. You can triple up, but it's very rare. Jackson Holiday autograph going to the Ravens. I've seen it before, just not very often. Is that Michael Jordan? Wow. Michael Jordan on the hard court? Don't tell me this is game-used hardwood. Has been certified to us as having been used in an NBA game. Game-used hardwood, baby.
Let him eat.
Hell yeah. Going to the Bears. That's sick. What year is this from? 2006. 2006. I'm covering a Bryce Harper auto. I'm sorry. There's so much stuff. There's so much stuff.
The GOAT.
The GOAT.
Explosive. Is this going to be Jared Goff? Nope. Tua Tagovailoa with the Dolphins doubling up. Tua on the explosive. Go into the Fins. Number 2 for Miami. To go along with your Devon Achane. Going to premium.
The one thing about the flowers, you got to haul them.
Yeah. We got 4 left, guys. Good luck. Star swatch signatures on the green. Oh! That's sweet. Drew Brees. Patch auto to 5 out of flawless with the Nike swoosh.
That's
Going to Chris Sheezy. Is Chris still here? There he is. That's sick. Drew Brees patch auto to 5 with the Nike swoosh going to New Orleans. All right, what teams have not hit yet? Like, not a single card. Buffalo. Detroit, I think. Colts. Yeah, the Colts haven't hit either. Bills, Colts, and Detroit. All right, well, it should be singles for the rest. Well,
what?
I feel like he's an every break kind of guy now. Peyton Manning autographed to 25.
Oh.
Going to Indianapolis.
Oh, yeah.
Who has the Colts? That was a divvy from Saturday. I can't see. Nick G. I said Nick.
Is that Danny Dimes?
Is that Danny Dimes? Yes. Yes. Is the Tua a rookie, the explosive? No. 2024. I must... Well, Bowie, first off, this has been the shop since Saturday. So... And I don't have anything to do with this. I just open the boxes. You know? But yeah, it's a very tough game yesterday. Leave me alone, alright? Do you guys know what this card is? I am a Giants fan. Do you guys know what this card is, though?
It's better than Indiana Jones Day.
Oh, it's Stephon Diggs. That's sick. That's sick. I thought it was someone else. I thought it was Keon, but I don't think Keon actually has a color blast. But that's still sick. Stephon Diggs in the color blast going to the Bills. Who has the Bills? Dad Life. I thought it was Keon, but now that I think about it, I don't think he has a color blast. Guys, last box. I think this is Detroit. I don't think they've hit yet.
Deshaun Jackson rules.
All right, last box. Good luck. Is that gold vinyl? Jared Goff. 1 of 1. Gold vinyl. Going to the Lions at a Contenders Optic 2023. That's sick. Half gold vinyl, half not. That's a cool card. To close out the break. I mean, that break was wild.